Today in this video, I'll show you how to exactly connect your TikTok to your Facebook account in a very easy and clear method, so follow up with me. First, we open TikTok and then go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Now under your profile picture, you find your username. You need to tap on it to copy it. Now once you copy your username, quit TikTok and then go to your Facebook app and make sure you are logged in. From here, tap right here to go to your profile. Once you are in your profile, tap on Edit Profile. Next, scroll down all the way down to the bottom in the screen and then tap next to links on Edit. Now from here, tap on Add Social Link, tap on Platform, and of course choose the TikTok platform from this list. Once you do that, paste your username right here and then tap on Public right here to maybe change the privacy if you want. If you don't want to, you can just tap on Save in the top right corner right here. Once you save the process, you can go back to your profile and find the TikTok link right here. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you very much for watching.